Now, a mega Vikas push in pole-bound Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be laying the foundation stone of Sports University named after hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. University will be built at an estimated cost of 700 crore rupees in Meerut and will also have all modern sporting infrastructure. According to the government, the university will be housing facilities for shooting, squash and gymnastics, among others. Major Dhyan Chand University will have a capacity of training at least 1,080 sportspersons. Prime Minister Modi will also be interacting with at least 32 national and international players from Western UP. Modi will also pay tributes to martyrs at Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial constructed after the Indo-Pak War of 1971 to commemorate the soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces. Shreya joining us for more. Shreya, you're right there at the spot. Prime Minister Modi has arrived. We see large crowds as well. As much as the opposition accuses the centre of playing politics ahead of polls, they're coming out with rolling out infrastructure projects. We still see that there's a lot of scope for this sporting facility to attract budding sportspersons from across the country. It's going to be as massive. Take us through what's to look forward to.
Well, very rightly, Nabila, even if we look at the timeliness of this inauguration, this could be due to the upcoming elections in Uttar Pradesh. But if you talk about the university in particular, it does have the state-of-the-art facilities. It has all the amenities that are required to train our players for the better. And a total of 1,080 players can be coached in this particular university. What we do know that the facilities in line with all international facilities like velodrome for cycling as well as the court for tennis will be inside this very university. To just give you a small understanding about how enormous this university will be, then you can understand the ground where I am right now. This is the same ground in Salawa where the university will be coming up at 1:30 p.m. The Prime Minister will arrive here and lay the foundation of this particular university. He's already in Meerut. He's gone to Amar Jawan Jyoti. He's paid tribute to the martyrs. He's visited the Kali Paltan temple. And from there, he will be coming to the Katauli helipad. And then from there, by road, he will be reaching this particular place. You can see the crowd as well. It's swelling already. We can say tentatively this is yet at least an hour for the Prime Minister to arrive. But the excitement is enormous. And in the crowd, we did see a lot of young athletes who also came to hear the Prime Minister, because after the unveiling of the foundation laying ceremony, there will be an address also by the Prime Minister.
All right. Thank you very much, Shreya, for joining us with those details. A massive sporting facility to come up in Meerut. Prime Minister Modi to address a gathering there in just a little while. We're going to continue tracking those